morning from Cusco, or our last bit in Cusco. We are now just leaving Cusco, heading to a 4-day adventure to Machu Picchu. So we're going to do some mountain biking, river rafting, Inca Trail hiking, and some zip lines and some other fun stuff, hopefully over the next 4 days to get to Machu Picchu. Very, very exciting. It starts today with a very, very long bike ride going downhill. We're really excited actually. So ready for the big day?
Yes.
Yes? Mace? Yeah? Alright. Any jokes for us this morning, no? Why didn't the circle like the other shapes?
Because they were too edgy.
Oh, what a way to start this off. Let's go. We got ourselves some bikes. Helmets ready? Gear ready? Let's get ready. Sunny,
Yes.
you're looking good, my friend. Noor, ready? Come on. So we are 4,300 meters above sea level on Mount Veronica, just about to start our downhill mountain bike experience. Well done, Noor.
It's okay.
How was it? Good? Nice.
Good job.
Good? I think we earned a break, huh? Oh, hello there, mister. How was that? Good. That was first half. Really fantastic. The views were incredible. Let's take a break and carry on. Bike trip is over. We're gonna jump into our first class transportation and get to lunch. Let's squeeze in. Hey Hasuni, you made it?
Rafting. Rafting is soon, eh? Very soon after lunch.
Lunch and rafting.
Yes.
You heard that, Noor?
Ready to
Lunch
swim.
and rafting. We are ready for river rafting. So we're just heading to river rafting, back in the luxury mobile, and we've managed to stuff everybody inside the tuk-tuk somehow. Very cozy in here. We are out of the tuk-tuk onto part 2 of the journey to get to the rafting, and now we're inside the mystery machine. Yeah.
From Scooby-Dooby-Doo.
Yeah, now we hold on to your paddles on the side.
Alright, you almost fly off. That was really rough. That was insane, no? That was so insane. How you feeling after that? Oh. Are you ready to get wet?
Yeah.
I heard there's a big rapid coming.
Can you sit up there or no?
Say again?
I don't think we can.
We'll do good, but if you fall in, one fine.
Are you looking for trouble, young man?
No.
You sure?
Yes.
Alright, big one coming.
How good at swimming are you?
Oh boy, that was just incredible. So just jumped out the boat during the rapid, swam to the shore. It's really exhilarating. Just dried up and we are feeling very, very exhilarated.
Hello.
Any final words before we head back?
Hello.
You enjoyed it that much? Mace, final words before we head back?
I would like to do it again.
As well.
I want to do it again.
Oh
It was
boy.
so much fun.
Well, maybe one day. Hey. We just got to our lodge, so we'll be spending the night here on the way to Machu Picchu with a big hike coming up tomorrow. A good 8-hour hike. But isn't this place just absolutely stunning? Ah, place looks amazing. Alright, Hasuni, do you wanna unlock the door, mate? Use the secret code. Ah. No, I wouldn't put it there.
On the floor. Where you are?
On the floor, yes. Okay. Wow. Wonderful. This place is just great.
It's a shoulder cap.
I just climbed on.
So you're a new parrot, mate.
That's nice porn. No. The restaurant is grumpy right now.
Such a cool place. You having fun with a furry friend?
He's vegetarian.
Hey mates, hey everyone. We finally made it to Cusco. So this should be a really exciting adventure. We've got a really cool 4 days planned. Let's see what we're gonna do and what we're gonna get up to. Let's go. No, tell me a joke. You gotta speak loud. Okay, what's the joke?
Did you hear why the scarecrow won an award?
Why did the scarecrow win an award?
Because it was outstanding in the field.
Ooh, very cool.
Amazing.
Amazing. All right. Thank you, Noor. Finish us off with a joke as the sunset dwells upon Cusco and we head to dinner for the night.